OpenAI has upgraded the GPT-4o mini model with new features, making it closer to the larger GPT-4o. Users like it for its speed and efficiency. Here are four major improvements that make it better. The first feature is image creation. The GPT-4o mini can now create images from text like the full GPT-4o. It's maybe faster, but both models produce the same result using DAL-E3. The second feature is browsing. The GPT-4o mini now has internet access, allowing for fast online research and update information. This puts it closer to full GPT-4o, though speed may still vary. The third feature is uploading and understanding. GPT-4o mini now lets you upload and analyze documents and images. It understands visual like text, helping with complex visual data for learning or personal tasks. The fourth and the last feature is memory. GPT-4o mini now has memory capabilities, so it can recall earlier conversation and adjust its replies to fit your preferences. This enables you to get relevant answers and follow-ups, showing it can effectively manage long-term chats. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.